So hi, we're going to make now the official drink of San Diego Football Club, a drink called Chrome and Azul. Obviously, Chrome and Azul are the colors of San Diego FC, and I took the liberty to create a drink that represents not just the colors of the team, but also the energy, the community, and the flavor of San Diego. So, let's go. We'll start by using fresh lime juice, and for that we'll squeeze actually our own fresh lime juice. So we need an ounce of that. Best thing to do is to use the so-called elbow squeezer, and if the limes are good, you should be getting a good ounce from limes, from one lime. There we go. Full ounce of fresh lime juice. That's the first thing that goes in the drink. We will add that, obviously strained from pulp, into our mixing glass. Now this drink is layered, and the reason that we are doing it to be layered is because it will better represent the colors. Here we go. Next thing is a mixture of agave nectar and contro. This is a very simple mixture. It's 2/3 contro and 1/3 agave nectar. We will add half an ounce of this ingredient into our first combined ingredient called the chrome. Next thing is an ounce of water. You will ask, why do you need to add water in the cocktail? Well, we don't get enough dilution. This cocktail is in essence a deconstructed margarita. Therefore, we need a little bit more water to be added because this drink will be stirred and not shaken. So, next thing is chrome. And chrome is basically edible glitter or pole dust in this case. So we will add a few shakes of the chrome to give it the impression and the looks of a cocktail that has kind of a chrome texture to it. You stir this ingredient and you stir it quickly because you don't want to dilute it too much. You already have that water that I said, and then you put your cured your cured cube in it. So now you pour this slowly over your cured cube, and as you can see on the bottom, this already has an impression that it is kind of chromy, right? So the next ingredient is fairly simple. It's the Dios Azul Plata, which we colored organically with blue spirulina and added just a touch of xanthan gum to make it stable so that the spirulina powder doesn't separate. It is not that difficult to make. This is a 2-ounce pour. And again, just like with the chrome element, we will pour our tequila element, our Azul element, in the mixing glass. You can reuse the same ice you used before and give it just a brief stir, after which you gently layer it over this large rock on top of the cocktail, like that. Since the chrome element has sugar in it, it will by nature, it is more dense, so it will sit on the bottom, and the blue element, the Azul element, is lighter since it doesn't have sugar, and it will float on top. Now this is our deconstructed margarita. You cannot really drink it like this. In order to finish it, you will need to add a straw so that you can stir it and fix it yourself. Finally, we garnish it with a dehydrated lime. And this is your Chrome and Azul. To drink this drink, you will have to stir it up and blend it. Stay legendary. Cheers.